Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wished you could connect your Trello boards directly to Notion, stick around, because today I'm walking you through the full, up-to-date process for 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Trello and Notion accounts talking to each other seamlessly, which means fewer double tasks and way less time lost copying information between apps. Let's dive right in together. The first thing we're going to do is head on over to your Notion workspace. Now, this might sound obvious, but make sure you're logged into the correct Notion account, especially if you use more than one for work or side projects. Once you're in, take a look at the sidebar or your main dashboard and find the Settings menu. This is where all your major tweaks and integrations get started. Inside Settings, look for an option called Connections. It's usually grouped with other integrations that let Notion play nicely with the tools you already use. Click on Connections and you'll see a list. Sometimes these are the most popular ones featured at the top, but what we want is the full list. So go ahead and click on See All. Don't worry if it takes a second to load, especially if Notion is showing you lots of integration options. Now, within this bigger list, you're going to want to scroll until you find Trello. Sometimes it helps to use the search bar at the top. Just type in Trello and it should pop right up. Click on the Trello integration. This is how you start the connection process. At this point, Notion's going to prompt you to actually link your Trello account. Just hit Connect. For security reasons, Notion is going to ask you to log into Trello. If you're already logged in on your browser, it might skip straight to the next step, but if not, go ahead and enter your Trello email and password. When you're logged in, Trello will ask for your permission to let Notion access certain things, like your boards and cards. This is completely normal because to sync your data, Notion needs the OK from you. Click Allow. Pause here for a second if you get any pop-ups or confirmations. It's important to read those so you know exactly what's being shared, and that's pretty much it for the technical part. Once you've followed those prompts and hit Allow, your Trello and Notion accounts are now officially connected. You should see a confirmation on Notion's side, maybe even a list of your synced boards. Now you're all set to automate tasks, pull information from Trello into your Notion pages, and work much more efficiently. If any part feels confusing, don't worry. It can take a moment, especially if it's your first time linking external accounts. Think of it a bit like linking your phone to Bluetooth. It might take a try or two, but once you're connected, things work so much smoother. All right, that's the full walkthrough for connecting Trello to Notion in 2025. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I've got lots more productivity tutorials coming your way. And if you ran into any problems or have questions on using Trello with Notion, just drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out, and I read every message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.